When you're still on your dashboard, you will notice that you have these breadcrumbs at the top of your screen. The first breadcrumb is notifications. So this would be when something was posted to a class or something important has popped up or I've missed an assignment. This would pop up with this bell being illuminated. Messages will be from fellow students, clubs and activities, counselors, administrators, teachers, directly messaged to you. And you may respond to your colleagues at Wilton High School as well through this messaging app option. The next breadcrumb is the calendar. The calendar, as you can see, is on your recent activity. You have an overdue section for work. You have reminders, and you have upcoming assignments. Now, these are going to show up here on your dashboard, but if you click on the calendar, it will show you an actual month view of assignments. Another option here is that you can also add events to this Schoology calendar that you can keep track of your work and activities.